What's up, you guys? It's Susie and welcome to my backyard. Today we are filming with the Hey Grill Hey Kid crew because we've had some requests for recipes that kids love on the grill. So not only are these guys gonna pick our menu today, but they're also gonna help me cook it, and we're gonna put a post together with all of their favorite picks from the website that you guys can cook for your kids, with your kids, that are very family friendly. Let's do it. So here's how it's gonna go down. Each of these kids are gonna pick something that they would like to cook with me on the grill today. So we need somebody to pick an entree, somebody to pick a side, and somebody to pick a dessert. Entree?
I'll do the side.
Side dish?
Dessert.
Dessert! All right, so they have to go to the website. They have to go to heygrillhey.com. This is their challenge. And they have to scroll through and find the recipe that they want to cook today. Print it out. We're gonna go to the store and get the ingredients. How are you gonna decide?
I don't know. Oh.
Okay, Ben, you ready?
Did you find it? Okay, what are we making?
Cherry berry Dutch oven cobbler.
All right, perfect.
Where are the burgers? I want to do some smash burgers.
What are burgers made out of?
Pork? No, not pork. Beef.
Yeah, so what do you need to click on? This girl's in charge of sides. What are we doing today, sis?
I was thinking grilled potato wedges.
Those will go real good with some burgers, I think.
Oh, is this fine? Yay!
Okay, you got shoes on? All right, let's go. All right, off we go to the grocery store to get all the ingredients for what these guys picked to cook today.
Shoot. You're gonna get hit by a car, Dad.
These ones? Too big. Ready? It's some kind of berry for the berry. So maybe that one? Oh, perfect.
Gone.
Add
We got all of them.
First up is dessert time, because this is gonna take the longest amount of time to cook, so we gotta cook it first. Dessert first is a good, I feel like, life strategy. So we gotta get our grill preheated, and this guy is going to be doing everything. So the thing is, I always write my recipes with the hope that anybody will be able to cook them, so we're gonna be testing that theory with the kids today. And this guy, you don't cook the most.
No, I don't.
Out of the kids in our family. So we're starting off with a challenge here today. Okay, let's get the grill up and rolling. You ready? Push it again. Now turn it. Up to 375. Can you... Other way. There it is. Turning it as you go. So zest and turn and zest and turn. Perfect, buddy. Can I tell you a cobbler story?
What?
When your dad and I were dating, he had a family camp, or maybe we were just newly married, I can't remember. But his family had a family reunion, and they were all camping, and they had a Dutch oven cobbler competition, and I won with my cobbler. And I make it like this. So I feel like I can say this is a winning cobbler recipe.
Yay.
Now some people like more of like a crunchy, crumbly topping, but we like ours more cakey. So we actually mix up the batter a little bit before putting it on. If you like the crunchier top, just sprinkle the cake mix, the butter, and then pour the Sprite over. Yeah.
It's stuck. Squeeze it like this.
Okay. You can like that. I'll put this in our preheated grill. That's how a recipe should look, right? It means you used it. While that's cooking, we're gonna start on the grilled French fries, the grilled potato wedges we're gonna do, and smash burgers. So you're out, kiddo. Go grab a sibling. Time for side dishes. My oldest and longest grilling child has picked the easiest dish, and so I think that means you can handle it by yourself.
Really?
Yeah, ready, set, go.
Just all of it?
It's a quarter of a cup, and we didn't quite have a quarter of a cup, so we're gonna add a little secret zhuzh here.
Ooh, what's that?
A little tablespoon of beef seasoning. You're stirring yourself into a pickle here. Do you know why?
Why?
Because once I know that you can make these all by yourself.
Oh, I'm gonna have to make them for myself forever. It's very hard to have a big bowl full of big potatoes.
How about like a cookie sheet? Would that work?
Probably cookie sheet them.
Cookie sheet could work. Probably would work. Maybe better.
Should I rewrite my recipe?
That depends.
There you go, like that.
Potato down.
5 minutes or so, and then we'll come flip them a couple times every 5 minutes so we get those crispy edges and poofy insides. Now we gotta pick up our garbage potatoes we dropped.
Check, Mike, check.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Mike,
5.
check, Mike, check. We have 8 cheeses. We have 8 meatballs.
There you go.
We
That
have,
works.
I can't count
Here,
onions.
let me get this back guy.
We have 8 buns. Oh, 5 buns. Oh, it's the sauce.
What's in there?
There are pickles, mayonnaise, and some barbecue sauce.
Yeah. All right. We're working on smaller grilled space, so let's toast our buns first, okay? And then we'll start our onions, we'll smash our patties, we'll melt the cheese, build our burgers. Okay, pop them right on there.
Oh, okay.
That one. We gotta move pretty quick because these buns cook fast. Okay, this one. This. Pull off your glove. So push it right there. And then Mom's gonna press it down. You ready? Yeah. Smash.
I'll watch the sides.
How you feeling?
I'm just sitting here.
I love cooking with you.
Me too.
Right here in the front. Okay, you gotta kind of scrape underneath it to get the crispies off the bottom. Yep. She's starting to get melty.
Yeah, look already. Been like 1 second.
Maxes. Yeah. There you go.
I'm gonna get a little easier.
Burgers are done. Let's pull off our fries and our cobbler and go eat. You wanna go tell the kids it's eating time?
I will.
All right, you guys, this was, I feel, a pretty successful day cooking with kids. I have a ton more ideas, recipes, tips for you guys to get your kids involved cooking at home, because I think the family that eats together stays together, and that's important more now than ever. Check out the recipes. If you guys, I don't know, what do you guys want to tell the people?
Can I high five the internet again?
Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3. Cook with your kids, have a nice dinner with your family, spread that positivity online because we all need a little bit more of it. And we'll see you guys next time. We're gonna go sit down and enjoy our lunch.
Get in here, guys.
Benny, come here.
We did it.
We did it.
You guys did it. That was awesome. Max got his burger.
High five.
Mustard, Ben? Let's see how this looks in here, Maxie. Look at these yummy edges.
I'm awesome.
Thanks for dessert, Max.
So good.